We are going to discuss the industrial method of preparation. Industrial method of preparation of phenol. Of preparation of phenol. Two methods we will discuss here. One is what? Dose process. Very important method. Dose process. And another one is from cumin. From cumin. These two processes we generally discuss in this reaction, in this method. Dose process is very important. Dose process means what? In this case, we have to take chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene, if reacting with sodium hydroxide at 623 Kelvin temperature and 320 atmosphere, very drastic condition, 320 atmosphere pressure, then what we will see, first of all sodium phenoxide will be formed, and then the again hydrolysis with the dilute HCl. You will get what? Phenol. First industrial method. And next very important method is from cumin. First process, dose process we have learned, and second method is from cumin. From cumin. Now how the cumin can be prepared? If you have benzene ring, along with this, if you are adding CH3 CH double bond CH2 propene in the presence of phosphoric acid H3PO4, temperature 523 Kelvin, then Friedel-Crafts alkylation will take place, and we will get what? See, first of all isopropyl benzene, this is, or it is also known as cumin. First of all, cumin is prepared. Now in this cumin, if you are adding oxygen 368 to 408 Kelvin temperature, if you add oxygen, that is aerial oxidation it is called, you will, first of all we will get C, this compound is known as cumin hydroperoxide. This is H2O2 means hydroperoxide, what? Hydrogen peroxide. Now this is cumin hydroperoxide. Cumin hydroperoxide. And in this dilute H2SO4, if we give at 323 to 363 Kelvin temperature, we will get phenol. And another compound will be, this one will be the phenol, another will be this compound, that is what? Ketone will be formed here, acetone, CH3 C double bond O single bond CH3. So these are the two methods by which we can get the phenol in industrial methods. These are the in industries, these are the two methods which are followed. Number one, I said you what? Dose process. Chlorobenzene is converted into phenol by sodium hydroxide at drastic condition. After the dilute HCl is required for the hydrolysis. From cumin, first of all we need to prepare the cumin from the benzene ring, or directly if you can get the cumin, then cumin is first of all oxidized, aerial oxidation it is called, and then cumin hydroperoxide we are getting, and then again hydrolysis of the cumin hydroperoxide to get the phenol. So these are the two methods, industrial methods for preparation of phenol. Thank you class. Next class we will start the properties of phenol.